Over the years, we have sourced cabinets from many different manufacturers. At Merrick Design, it is important for us to give you the best deal with the highest quality material. And this is why we use Candlelight. Candlelight creates beautiful cabinetry without sacrificing quality. And in this video, you'll learn why we choose to be a part of the Candlelight family. So the first thing we're going to discuss is quality and durability, which is actually on the top of the list for Candlelight. Candlelight uses real wood to create its cabinets, which is very important when choosing the material of what you want your cabinets to be made out of. It is important to use real wood, and why that is important is because durability. You want your cabinets to last a lifetime. And what goes into the selection of choosing the material is the species of wood. Depending on the species of wood, it does have different grain, which you can see. And what is really trendy right now is, let's say for an example, white oak. So when you're deciding on the species of wood, one thing to keep in mind is how the grain is going to look, and then you also want to keep that in mind when you're selecting your paint. So now I'm going to talk about human touch. Candlelight's cabinets are manufactured by actual people. I actually just got back from Buffalo, New York, and I visited their warehouse, and I was able to walk through the warehouse and meet the people who are going to be touching your future cabinets. Each piece of the cabinet, so let's say this door, it is inspected and looked over and make sure it does not have any imperfections. Features, that's what everyone wants to know. That's so important, right? What are the features? And that's the exciting part. We always want to think about function and utilize every piece, every space, every area of the kitchen. So here, where you may have the dead space, we have created a Lazy Susan. And here you have access to something that you wouldn't have access to if you had a standard cabinet. Another function which everyone loves, which you'll see here, is the soft close. Here, open it, and then you get that soft close. So here are the features, the Reva shelf, and this can be customizable and built into your cabinetry. So this is how the trash cans are fitting in. And again, very well structured, very well quality. Here you can see the grate, how this has been handmade and well crafted with the structure of the dovetail here. Almost everything, because we never say everything, can be customizable. And again, at Merrick Design and Build, where we are designing your kitchen, we want to think about how you're going to be living in the space. So not all one kitchen is the same. And that's what is great about Candlelight, because you can customize every cabinet. So again, back to the dead space, and then how we were able to do the Lazy Susan, and then also with the trash can, and how you're able to utilize the two bins, utilizing and customizing the size of the cabinets. If you do a lot of baking or you do a lot of cooking, this would be perfect for you. One of the great reasons of why we like to use Candlelight is because 92% of their hardwood comes right here from the USA. And on top of that, any cabinetry in hardwood that does not pass inspection gets donated, which is pretty awesome. And if you're still on the fence about Candlelight cabinetry, which you shouldn't be, they are backed by a lifetime warranty. Head to our website where you can see our other projects using Candlelight cabinetry, and there you can also fill out a quick form if you have any questions.